guys, I'm going to tell you the benefits of oats today and show you some easy Indian recipes that are fabulous for your health and weight loss. They taste absolutely delicious. Remember, oats are filled with antioxidants and they are full of fiber, which is great for your digestive system. If you have a healthy gut, you will have a healthy body and losing weight becomes much easier. Oats helps you to have a strong digestive system. I'm going to start with my most favorite recipe, which is Oats Kichadi. See, I've got two different types of oats here. This one is the rolled oats, which is more suitable for Western recipes like porridge or overnight oats or granola, these kind of recipes. And this one I've got is steel cut oats. This is also called as pinhead oats. This is more suitable for Indian recipes. You know, I haven't found this in any of the supermarkets. I searched everywhere in all the supermarkets. I didn't find it. And I've ordered this from Amazon online. And if you want, I'll update the link here. This is suitable for Indian recipes. And I'll show you how the steel cut oats looks like. See, it looks like grains. You know, the oat groat is cut into pieces. It's much stronger. So it stands for the Indian cooking. Nutrition wise, they both are the same, but this is more suitable for Indian cooking where you get some texture in it. I'm going to show you 5 recipes today. In all of them, I'm going to use the steel cut oats. For making the oats kichadi, I've got half cup of moong dal soaked for about 10-15 minutes, and with that I'm going to add 1 cup of steel cut oats. I'm going to add 1.5 cup of water. I'm going to add some sea salt to it. I'm going to pressure cook this for 3 whistles. This is how the oats kichadi looks when it's cooked. These are the ingredients for the tadka. I've got some mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of jeera, and I've got some garlic here as well, cut into lengthwise, and some green chilies. I've got some curry leaves, lots of them, because eat as many curry leaves as you can because it's very good for your hair. I'm going to add some ghee for the seasoning. The ghee is very good for weight loss. In goes the mustard seeds. When the mustard pops, add the jeera and garlic and the red chilies. Finally, add the curry leaves. Now pour the seasoning over the kichadi. I'm going to make oats and banana pancakes. This is my favorite. For making the oatmeal and banana pancake, I'm going to add 2 cups of steel cut oats into a mixer. And I'm going to add a banana. And I'm going to add some coconut milk. What we are aiming for here is the dosa batter consistency. In a tawa, I'm going to apply some ghee. Ghee is very good for weight loss. I'm going to pour the batter in. If you want, you can sprinkle some brown sugar or honey at the top, but this has got banana in it. It's already sweet, so you don't need anything. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes each side to cook. You can also serve it with some bananas. A lot of South Indian families start their day with idli. So today I'm going to show you how to make healthier version of it. I'm going to make oats and beetroot idli. I'm going to add some steel cut oats and I'm going to add some beetroot and some water. What you're looking for is a idli batter consistency like this. I'm greasing the idli molds with ghee. This is homemade ghee. You know, a lot of people think ghee is fattening, but that's not true. The fact is, if you eat a teaspoon of ghee every day, it helps you lose weight. And I'm going to fill the molds with the batter. And I'm going to sprinkle some flax seeds to increase the nutritional value of these idlis. These are great source of omega-3 and omega-6. I'm going to steam these idlis for 10 to 12 minutes. So here you go, beetroot and oats idlis. They are very healthy. These are beetroot and oats idlis topped with flax seeds. You can eat these idlis with mango pickle or any other pickles of your choice. We are going to make Oats Upma. It's very simple to make. The ingredients we need are a little bit of fenugreek seeds and green chilies cut lengthwise, and shallots or small onions cut lengthwise, and lots of curry leaves. These curry leaves are very rich in iron, so you eat as much as you can, and a little bit of urad dal and a little bit of chana dal. I'm going to add a teaspoon of ghee in a pan. First goes the fenugreek seeds, then goes the chana dal and urad dal. When the dal gets to golden color, add the green chilies and the shallots. Finally add the curry leaves. Then add 1 cup of steel cut oats and saute this for a minute or two, and add some salt and turmeric. Add boiling hot water, and that's about it really. Cook this until all the water is absorbed and the oats is soft. So here you go, my easy version of Oats Upma. This is great for breakfast or as an evening snack. I'm going to make instant Oats Dosa. For that you need half cup of steel cut oats, and I'm going to grind this into a fine powder. And I'm going to add 1/4 cup of wheat flour, wholemeal wheat flour, and I'm going to add half cup of semolina or rava, and I need half cup of yogurt or curd. And here I've got some chopped onions, chopped ginger and green chilies, and a little bit of coriander leaves and curry leaves and grated coconut. This is only optional, but this is good for weight loss. And some cumin seeds, jeera, and some pepper powder. I'm going to chuck everything in there. Add some sea salt, add some water, and keep this aside for 10 or 15 minutes. Let it soak. This is in a perfect dosa batter consistency. If it is a thick little bit after soaking for 10 or 15 minutes, add a little bit more water. Spread a little bit of ghee in a hot tawa and spread the dosa batter. Turn this over when one side is cooked and cook the other side too. Here is the very easy instant oats dosa. It tastes great and also it helps you lose weight. This oats dosa tastes amazing with coriander and mint chutney. I hope you liked my 5 Indian easy oats recipes for weight loss. Subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more weight loss tips and recipes from me. Remember, you are what you eat, and portion control is the most important thing to lose weight and also to maintain a healthy weight. I wish you all the best in your weight loss journey, and I'll see you with more weight loss recipes in my next video. Until then, goodbye and have a great day everyone.